I'm trying these turtle wax restoration wipes on the headlights. We'll see if they work or not. Anyway, go to the headlights. Here's the headlights. We've got some oxidation on it, so I'll see if it works. This one's worse. Yeah, you can see it there. Anyway, here we go. That's one application done. See, it's slightly better. Just using this damn wipe. I'll put another one on it and see how it goes. That's the other one. Certainly improved it a little bit. There are sections where it's not quite 100%. This one come up very good. Go back to this one here. Just a little bit. Do this one again. There's the mess. Let's have a look now. This left one needs a bit more work. Still a big improvement. Put some turtle wax heel and seal on it. It's certainly better. Put some of this stuff on it in a minute. There we go. That's about as good as it's going to get with that Renew and Restore turtle wax. It's an improvement, but it's not perfect. Anyway, at least the headlights are clearer. That's how they're signing out. Cheers.